Okay, we got, what is this? It's 2016 Chevy Impala. Customer wants us to replace the alternator. As you can see, she's buried down there. So we're gonna get it out, replace it with a used one. I mean, not my recommendation, but the customer insisted that I put this one on because he said a new one is like $375, and he got this from the junkyard for $100. So, you know, my motto is sometimes being cheap is expensive. So let's hope that's not his case today, and he can get back on the road and get back to work. So let's dive into this project. Okay. This is the bolts on there. It's a 13mm. We gonna squeeze in. Gotta take that clamp off. Easy removal. As you can see, this is a 13 socket. Give me the cordless ratchet. Yeah, I'm not about to be turning on them. Nah. Okay, so got a cordless ratchet. Put a deep. It's the way I'm working it. Okay.
That plug, Liz. I'm sure that plug.
What plug?
That ain't a plug. No.
What plug?
No. That's a line.
Oh. No, that's a line. I ain't tampering with that.
I thought it was a plug.
No, we ain't tampering with that, famo. Okay. You got another bolt here. I think our Milwaukee losing his nuts. We done wore them out.
And the big nuts, and the big bolts with them motherfuckers.
Yep. I think we done wore it out, dog. Y'all know.
The battery might be down too, man.
Nah, just walk. It's a tool. They wear. You know. I mean, it done paid. It done paid, fam. It done paid like a mug, you know. Okay, now you got one at the bottom.
I gotta come back tonight and fucking, I gotta try to figure this ground wire out.
We'll get on it now. Once I snap.
African second.
Okay.
My girl had to, she had to do the basketball game for work today.
Oh, she got a basketball game?
Yeah, whatever. She got a shop, whatever they call it. Monitor it or whatever.
Shop around.
And yeah, whatever they do. I guess the administrator gotta be.
Okay. It's a bolt down here, people. we gotta get to. The third bolt at the bottom. This is what you need to use, short. You know, I use my cordless. I don't like turning bolts. Okay, it's loose. Now we gotta break the serpentine.
Need some gloves, man? Or you got some? You want some rubber ducky, rubber gloves?
Nah, I got some, man. Okay, so you tensioner right there. That's a scam.
Yeah,
they eating.
Shit good for a minute.
That's all you gonna get out of it, bruh.
Couple hours, 3-4 hours.
Yeah, a minute. That's all you gonna get, man.
Half inch or 3/8.
Might be 3/8. Let me see. They'd have been smart to put 3/8.
Yeah, because you ain't using 3/8 tools.
It ain't though.
It's the half inch.
Yep.
At least they gave you room.
Barely.
Shit, barely is better than.
Yeah, man. Barely.
Shit, that's what you need. That's all you need is barely.
Okay.
I need to pull that, what's the name of the filter out. Get in there.
Oh, they ain't hitting the filter.
I'm talking about take this out.
They ain't hitting that. Need a short. Go get me a short half inch. Okay, this soaking fine. Get you a shorty. See it?
You want me to tell Shine?
What you mean?
Let him know we're working.
I mean, he ain't got no choice.
No, he really ain't.
I mean, it's nobody else finna do that.
They put that nigga through hell, dog. That's really some bullshit you got him going through.
Okay. To get the alternator, serpentine belt loose. Y'all can see this pop up. Just take the breather, the air filter box out, give you some room. So, as you can see, now you can get your belt off. Your alternator. Just let it drop. Keep it everywhere else. Leave that on there. Don't even move it. Take that bolt out the bottom.
Taking that body loose.
You got it all?
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah, exactly.
We ain't got to take that body loose. We got to get taking that body loose.
Okay. Breaking loose, people, spin it off.
Make sure you disconnect your battery.
You gotta disconnect that battery, or you gonna arc, and then you could just blow this. You could just mess up a lot of stuff. We ain't got time for that. Okay. All right. Take that cable off, people, and remove your alternator. Okay. It's a tight grab, but it's out. That's it. Let me see that line.
That's the old one.
That's the oldie? Yeah, okay. So that's why I don't like working with that used shit, man.
There ain't no way you gonna know these people drive these cars. People drive these cars. This car right here, people drive these.
They drive these to failure. Yeah, they drive
them. To be picking it up from there, and this is an OEM one. It's a Denso.
Yeah, that's from the factory. That's
from the factory, man. You don't know how long this bitch gonna last.
Nope. Being cheap.
It'd be different if the bitch was new.
Being cheap is expensive.
It'd be different if it was new. Bitch was AC Delco or something. Look, this is all.
Right, if it say reman or new, I'd have been like, roll it, you know? That ain't even no reman. Okay. We dropping her back, people. Dog, that other shit not about to put no money in your pockets, dog.
You buy that other shit once you have your little runs.
Yeah.
You have you a couple of good months. Everything else got to be in water.
Yeah. Okay. For assembly, we need a 30 Toix. 10mm for the battery. What's this? 8?
8mm.
8mm. One flathead. Take the breather off. And that's pretty much it. It's all your tools.